Hey, what's going on, guys? RockStarrFX here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to simply place a trade on a demo account using the pocket option trading platform. Now, if you're on this video right now, you are more than likely participating in our HFX free trials. And with doing so, you have most likely received a few links leading you up to here, where you're going to go ahead and be able to set up your demo account so that you can follow along with us and participate in trading with us for free as these trials go on. Now, the awesome part about Pocket Option is that when you come to the website, you are actually offered a free demo account. Now, you're either going to get directed straight to the trading platform itself, or you might get directed to the homepage where all you would have to do is just click up top where it says free demo. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to click that right now. You're going to see here it gives you a few options. You're going to click the continue demo trading button, and it's going to load up the trading platform. Now, once you are here and you're following along with us, this demo account will be automatically saved to your device. So anytime you come back, it'll automatically be here. And if you do eventually want to start a live account, you'll just click this button up here. It's going to load up these settings, and you guys will see here, you can either change the settings here, or you can just open a live account. Now, in terms of placing trades, it's going to be very simple. When you guys are following along with us, there's a few things that I want you to take a look at. Number one is we're going to change our chart to area. Once that's done, you're going to follow along with the educators and the people on call who are actually going to be giving you the potential trade ideas to go ahead and input yourself. What they're going to do is they're going to give you a specific currency pair. So you're simply going to come up to the top right here. You're going to click this drop down button, and you're going to find the currency pair that's called out on the Zoom. So let's just say, for example, the educator says we are looking at USD JPY. Well, very simple. You're going to find USD JPY on here. You're going to click the USD JPY button, and it's going to pull up the chart for USD JPY. Now, aside from the actual currency pair itself, the educator is going to either be telling you to buy or sell, or in other words, call or put. If you hear the word call, that just very simply means we are going to be buying, which is this green button right here. If you hear the word put, that very simply means we are going to be selling, which is this red button right here. Now, in between our sell and our buy button, there's a few other things that you want to go ahead and take a look at. Number one, we have our purchase time. This is going to be the amount of time that we are actually in a trade. Number two, you have your trade amount. This is going to be the exact dollar amount that you're looking to risk on a trade. And then number three, you have our strike price, which is the exact price of where the markets are currently at. Now, one thing to keep note of is that when our educators go ahead and call a trade for you, they are only going to be focusing on the last three digits of the current price. So right now, last three digits will be 729. So let's go ahead and take an example trade. Our educator calls out EuroCAD. We're going to find it on the drop down. We're then going to go ahead and listen to the instructions given by the educator. So let's just say they say to get into EuroCAD for a 1 minute put, which would be a 1 minute sell on EuroCAD at price 734. So let's go ahead and get in at 734. So I just placed my trade. And as you can see here, this red horizontal line is the exact price in which we entered the trade, and we are currently in profit. Now, if we look on over to the right, you're going to see here your open trades. This was a $100 position, paying out at 83%, making my total trade payout $183. Now, there's about 37 seconds left on this trade. Let's see how it pans out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. We just cleared that trade in 1 minute. There's our total results, our total amount, and you are good to go. Hopefully this all made sense to you, and if it did, make sure to participate in our HFX free trials, and when that's over, get back to the person that directed you to the trials and let them know that you're ready to get started with our exclusive HFX package so that you yourself can actually learn the skill of trading binary options. This is your boy Rockstar, guys. I'm out. Peace.